2025 is going to get over soon. Oh, yes, it does feel like at times the time is flying, and we are, of course, getting stressed and anxious how 2026 is already going to be treating us. For the ones who are already planning the exam by the end of this year, especially in the last quarter, this video is going to be for you. Because if you're somebody who's already anxious, already excited, already nervous, then this video is going to be very helpful for you, because I'm going to talk about three simple things, three simple tips that you got to undertake to make sure that you get this done within this year. This is Ankita Agrawal. I am TEF, come TCF Canada coach expert. I live in Canada, particularly in Toronto, and we do provide coaching and classes for the TEF and TCF Canada exam. Mind you, we only provide live classes. That means we are going to make you read, write, listen, and speak in the class. So this is not going to be a self-paced course pattern, because this is an exam. If you're looking for TEF or TCF, then definitely you can reach out to us and we will be very happy to help you. Now let's get on to the video and understand that how to strategize the last quarter of this year 2025. Important tip here is that do not get anxious or do not get overwhelmed by the material. So क्या होता है, most of the time I've seen people, they want to do this book, that book, edito भी करना है, sezo भी करना है, ये book, वो book, French की, Anne Hathaway, and so many, But the thing is, guys, if you will do all this, when will you do the actual exam practice? So here is a thing, you got to break it down. So सबसे पहले, just when you know that your exam is either going to be in October, November, December, books are to be kept aside. Yes, you heard it right. Books का कोई लेना देना नहीं रहा. अब आपकी actual practice काम आएगी. So you got to understand that what are the regular topics that are getting repeated in the TEF exam or TCF Canada exam. Some of you who still do not know, you can watch the playlist which I have created with Julie, जिसके अंदर हमने practice करी है. Now Julie is not my student, guys. Julie is a native trainer. She is with my institute and she helps me to understand, and then she helps us to create the videos wherein we can do some mock replica of the conversation which takes place in the TEF or TCF Canada exam. There are transcripts as well. This will help you to understand how teacher will ask question, how will you understand, and that way you can start understanding and practicing, whether it is your trainer, whether it is your speaking partner, practice that way to get the best out of the speaking module. Similarly, listening के लिए भी आपको ध्यान रखना है कि either if you're going for the TEF, you do Prep My Future, and TCF के लिए we truly recommend definitely the RFE and the Telesangmon, because listening समझना और questions को answer करना, this is called active listening. ये बहुत जरूरी है, because otherwise in the exam you will be like, oh my god, I don't understand what they are talking about, and you will not be able to answer the questions. So this is the first thing. Schedule in a way that you do not get overwhelmed, because books नहीं करनी इस time पे, आपको real exam actual practice करनी है. Going to the tip number 2, आप अपना schedule बनाएं, because it is not possible कि हम with a working professional in hand, with maybe you're a mother, you're maybe a father, and of course you have tons of other responsibilities to take care of. So do go ahead and watch the video which I have shot a podcast with Priya. She is definitely a working professional. She cleared the TCF Canada exam in less than 90 hours of training. Less than 90 hours of training doesn't mean that she only learned for 90 days. No, guys. She was with us for about 8 to 10 months, and her structure of study was so impressive that she only used to invest 1 hour in daily study, but the consistency was the key. So here is a key takeaway, guys. During the exam time, like when you coming close closer to the exam, you have to ensure that you increase the consistency, not increase the hour. Like sometime what happens, we say, okay, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I will not study. Saturday, Sunday, ek din baithenge and I will study for 8 hours. You're not conditioning your mind to absorb the sounds and the vocabulary of French on a regular basis. बहुत जरूरी होता है ब्रेन को मैसेज देना दैट हे यू नो व्हाट 11 o'clock or 12 p.m. is my time when I want to do the vocabulary, when I want to do learnings, the listening, speaking, reading, whatever. So make a schedule कि मैं अर्ली मॉर्निंग उठ के सबसे पहले लिसनिंग करूंगी या करूंगा, फिर मैं दिन में रीडिंग एक ऑप्शन अगर मेरे लिए पॉसिबल है ड्यूरिंग माई वर्क आवर और ब्रेक टाइम में वो कर लूंगा, और शाम को मैं स्पीकिंग की प्रैक्टिस करूंगा, और रात को मैं सोने से पहले कोशिश करूंगा कि राइटिंग करके सोऊं ताकि मैं अगले दिन मॉर्निंग में जब उठूं तो मेरे पास एक राइटिंग का स्ट्रक्चर रेडी और मैं उसको देख लूं और मैं कोशिश करूं कि मॉक दूं. दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू, सेकंड टिप हियर इज दैट यू हैव टू स्केड्यूल द मॉक. यू हैव टू ट्रेन योर माइंड कि मैं 1 घंटे की राइटिंग में क्या 3 टास्क ऑफ TCF, अगर आप टेफ दे रहे हैं 2 टास्क ऑफ टेफ सेक्शन ए सेक्शन बी कंप्लीट कर पा रहे हैं कि नहीं. Again, I'm repeating, vocabulary is important. ग्रामर यहाँ पे रिविजन करना इज नॉट इंपॉर्टेंट क्योंकि आप ग्रामर कर चुके. अगर आप इंप्लीमेंट कर रहे हो इस टाइम पे, सो व्हाट मैटर्स इज दैट कि आप क्वेश्चंस करो बहुत सारे एग्जाम्स के, टेफ के क्वेश्चंस, TCF के क्वेश्चंस, बिकॉज एट द एंड करने तो वो है. सो व्हाई नॉट जस्ट ट्रेन आवर माइंड कि अगर मेरे को ये क्वेश्चन आए इन द एग्जाम या मुझे ये क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट करना पड़े तो दिस इज हाउ आई एम गोइंग टू स्पीक, दिस इज हाउ आई एम गोइंग टू राइट. This is the second thing that you got to do in the last bit of the exam. Now, the third important tip here is enhance your sentences with a higher level of vocabulary. और वो कैसे करेंगे? So, it is important to understand कि जब एग्जामिनर आपका इवेल्युएशन करते हैं so they understand कि आपने कौन से सेंटेंसेस रटे हुए हैं और कौन से सेंटेंसेस नेचुरल है. नेचुरल सी बात है, जो सेंटेंस रटे हुए होते हैं वो हम बहुत जल्दी बोल देते हैं, और जब सेंटेंस रटे हुए होते हैं या नहीं रटे हुए होते सॉरी, तो उसके अंदर हम थोड़ा सा अटक अटक के बोलते हैं. सो नाउ लेट्स जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड कि टेफ स्पीकिंग सेक्शन ए में हमने क्वेश्चंस पूछने हैं. सो कौन से ऐसे क्वेश्चंस हैं जो मैं जरूर पूछूंगी? How to reach there? What is the course fee? What are the hours? So इन वाले क्वेश्चंस को आप पैटर्न को समझ के अपनी एक स्क्रिप्ट रेडी करिए ताकि वो स्क्रिप्ट के अकॉर्डिंग आप जाकर उनको बोले एंड इट विल मोस्ट लाइकली लुक नेचुरल. अगेन आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट दिस विल डेफिनेटली 100% वर्क बिकॉज समटाइम व्हाट हैपेंस कि हम ऐसे रिपीटेड क्वेश्चंस बना लेते हैं जिसका कोई मीनिंग नहीं होता या जिसका कोई इतना इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं होता. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, hey, how are you? Where are you located? How do I reach there? Is there a parking space? Is the parking space is chargeable or not? Now मैंने पूछने के लिए तो 4 क्वेश्चंस पूछे, लेकिन मेरे क्वेश्चन में कहीं पे भी वो स्कूल द लॉन्ग या कॉल द लॉन्ग से रिलेटेड कुछ भी ऐसा कोई अच्छा क्वेश्चन ही नहीं आया कि एग्जामिनर इम्प्रेस होके मुझे CLB 7 दे दे. सो आई होप यू गॉट माई पॉइंट हियर इज दैट कि आपको अपने स्क्रिप्ट को इस तरीके से नुआंस रखना है कि आप हायर लेवल ऑफ सेंटेंसेस पूछे ताकि आपको CLB 7 मिले. I hope this was helpful. Still, if you want to know more about it, you can definitely book my consultation call because I will be able to help you basis your personal level, and that will definitely make it work for you. Follow for more, and before I leave you all guys, do ensure that you subscribe to the channel because every weekend we are coming with such insightful sessions. It is about vocabulary, phonics and tips and tricks of how to ask questions in TEF TCF Canada exam, and also tons and tons of such material which is going to be very helpful to clear the exam soon. Subscribe to the channel. Please put it in the comment and do tell me when is your exam so that we can come up with such more insightful videos. Thank you. Bonne chance. Over.